Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreath.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday, and we have these flood watches that are in place for Curry County, Josephine County, Central, South Central, and Western Siskiyou County. All of these run until 5 p.m. this evening, and we're concerned about some heavy rainfall, some snow melt, some excess runoff, and also some debris flows near those burn scars, primarily near the McKinney burn scar and also near the Rum Creek burn scar. And in those areas, for Siskiyou County, for the coastline, for Josephine County, we could have anywhere between 1.5 to 3.5 inches of rainfall through Tuesday night, with some of the biggest rainfall totals being in the Mount Shasta City area. Also, we're concerned about wind gusts today. Winds gusting upwards of 30 miles per hour already in the Klamath Falls area. Just based off of the contour map, it looks like winds are gusting upwards of 40 to 50 miles per hour along the coast. So for the rest of today, the strongest wind gust will continue to be on the east side and also in the Shasta Valley, as those winds can gust anywhere between 40 to 50 miles per hour. So if you have any loose outdoor objects such as patio furniture, trampolines, sport equipment, be sure that you're taking those inside, or at the very least that you're tying them down. And these wind advisories expire for 5 p.m. for the Shasta Valley, and it expires at 11 p.m. for the east side. So here is suspect number one. It is this atmospheric river that is going to inflict all the rain, all the snow, all the winds upon us. So let's go ahead and time out these next couple of days with Stormcast. And come time for dinner time, it is going to be a mess across southern Oregon and northern California. Very heavy rainfall, very heavy snowfall. Now overnight, it looks like the atmospheric river is going to sink down towards the south, down towards the east. So we'll get a bit of a break for places like Jackson County, Josephine County, Curry County, but watch what happens in a Tuesday morning. A resurgence of the atmospheric river, especially a little bit later in the morning. So everything that we deal with for today, let's go ahead and run that back for tomorrow. And then into the evening, looks like we're dealing with the same thing, but this atmospheric river will eventually get on out of here by the time we transition into Wednesday. Now, there will be a few showers left over for Wednesday, and that's when snow levels are going to come down to around 2,000 feet. So we could have some snow showers left over, but I think, well, the wettest days, Monday and Tuesday, for most of us, it's just going to be rainfall, as snow levels will be between 4,500 feet to around 7,000 feet. Now, keep in mind that even though a lot of us aren't going to see snowfall, where we do see snowfall, it's going to be a lot of it. Look at that. Diamond Lake, Crater Lake, anywhere between 12 to 30 inches of snow we can have there through Tuesday night. So the snowpack, which is already above average, will continue to run up the score. So this winter weather advisory goes until 11 p.m. for the Cascades and Siskiyous. But again, I think most of us are going to be dealing with rainfall. Now, we'll dry out of here as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, but then more shower chances return starting on Friday. Here's that 7-day forecast for the coast. Rain and thunderstorms likely today. And for tomorrow, although winds will back off, the chance for thunder will back off, and then rain chances altogether will temporarily come to a halt on Wednesday and Thursday, but then we will have some more shower chances for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. For the Shasta Valley, of course, we're dealing with the winds, but for the rest of Siskiyou County, we're dealing with the threat for the potential of flooding, especially around those burn scars, especially around the McKinney burn scar, because that one got up into the tens of thousands of acreage range. Then for the east side, we'll likely just keep it as rain. Yes, there is the chance that we could see a rain-snow mix on Tuesday. Maybe we could get a couple inches of snow in Oregon 140, but I think most of us, at least for Klamath Falls and Lakeview, will probably just keep it as rainfall. For the Cascades and Siskiyous, a ton of snow we're expecting over the next 48 hours, mainly up in those elevations above 5,000 to 6,000 feet. And then for the Rogue Valley, wet and windy today, winds backing off tomorrow, but the rain does not let up until Wednesday and Thursday.
So I think a lot of people think, oh, well, no snow's coming our way, or at least it's not going to be a super snowy event like we've had. We're out of the woods. Not the case for this week.
Yeah, we have threats this week. It's just the threats are so different compared to last week. Last week we were worried about chain requirements and the interstate shutting down, which ended up happening. But this week we're more worried about flooding, flash flooding, ponding on the roadways, debris flows. So a different skill set that you need to have this week and that you need to prepare for.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Josh.
Of course.